What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some cool Fleetwood Mac. It can be hard, very hard, but it can also be pretty easy. So I can show you different ways to do this. Rhiannon. Alright, cool. So we are in standard tuning. The song is in A minor, 1, 2, 3. A minor to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, my F, like that. So that's the chords underneath the verses. And then the chords for the chorus, it's C major, 1, 2, 3. So F major. So that's the easy way to do it if you just want to play the song. But then we do have, we got this melody that is all over the song for the verses. Over A minor, so if you want to play that melody, that's G and B string. So 1 on the B, 2 on the G. Move that shape up to 4 and 3, and then 5 and 5. Go back down, 4 and 3, 2 and 1. Open G and B and end on 2, 2, D string, G string. And then for the F part, grab an F major like this. D, G and B string. Play D and G. Then G and B open. Fingers down, play G and B, and then open again, and end on D and G. So what I do when I play this song and it's an electric guitar player, I try to hit the full A minor and let the A string ring. And then I grab this F. That's F with a fifth in the bass, so that's 3 A string. And then you have Lindsay's way, which is super hard. I can't do that he does on the studio album, but for live he plays straight with the thumb like that. Yeah, so if you want to do that, figure that stuff out. It's quite hard. And then for the chorus part, you can just play C to F, but the real part is. That's it, grab a C, and then C sus. 3 times. First time, I grab an open D to C, and then C sus, C sus, C sus, C sus. And then for that we have, which is kind of like at the beginning. Play D and G, and then D and G, and then G and B. Lift up, end on D and G. I like to play it like this. It's fuller, but same thing. So after the first time they don't, it's just regular, and then the second time they stay longer on that F. They stay one extra, and then it's a guitar solo, and the end of the guitar solo they have this lick that comes. So that's 1 and 2. Open. 1 and 2. 3 and 4. 1 and 2, open, and end on A. Cool. Thanks, guys. This song is awesome. And like I said, it can be simple. You can simplify it, but you can also go full force and learn all those parts with the thumb and the fingers. All right. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you soon tomorrow, and be safe. All right.